Long time no see, everyone. It's your old mate Jacargon, back at it again. This time with an unboxing video of my latest package of thrifted items from Japan. As always, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I really do appreciate those of you who also comment as well. Well, I appreciate all of you, but it's always fun having a chat. And be sure to join the Discord, link below if you want to keep in touch outside of videos and share what you're up to, what you're wearing, and hey, we can help each other out in improving ourselves, I suppose. So for this video, I haven't actually done one like this before. Usually I just do the capsule videos and showcase the clothes that I pick up. But this one, I wanted to show more of an unboxing of what I got. The box just arrived from Japan. I haven't opened it yet, so you'll see that all. And hey, if you like it, maybe I can add those into the rotation for future content too. So this is the box. It's large and in charge. Let's have a look and see what we got today. It's actually probably the biggest package I've ordered so far, but that's because it's months and months of things that I'd kind of just left in the warehouse of the proxy. So yeah, let's have a look. So weird doing this on camera. Like I feel, have I become an unboxer? Why didn't we do these in the first place? I think it's because I would get too excited by getting the items and just immediately open it and try things on before even getting to film. So yeah, now that we've got this little easier setup, it'll hopefully be a bit more straightforward going forward. Let's not talk about my skills here. Truly a right-hander, truly a right-hander. All right, 4 hours later, we did it. We opened the box. So this is what they look like. They're pretty well packed. Sendiko does a great job. Sendiko is the proxy, by the way. Sendiko does a great job of packing everything. Usually it's just the items will come from the sellers and then they'll not really change how they're packed, but just add them to a larger box. So let's have a look. All right, so first up, this is like a little satchel, a clutch. I think it's called a clutch. I'd wanted a bag that I could carry in my hand that wasn't a tote. And here's hoping that this will fill that void. It is a lot larger than I anticipated. So this is a large satchel thing from GroundY, a Yohji diffusion brand. Still with tag. Clips open like that, space for some things in here, and then 2 zipper parts to keep more documents. It's actually pretty cool. Not sure if the camera picks up, but the way that it's finished, like all this cracking and stuff would be unique to each part itself. So this bag will eventually be very, very unique to me and how I use it and how I own it. So I think that's super cool. Satchel thing. Nice. I won't go too much into stuff because that'll be for the proper capsule video with the fits. Next up is a very, very large thing. I am not sure what this is. All the bubble wrap is so good though because I reuse it when I send stuff off from Depop, so you know, we're all about reusing stuff. The packaging as well, the boxes, I've actually kept like all the boxes. Cause you never know. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. I was thinking like, what the hell is this? All right, so this is some outerwear. This is a Uniqlo Jill Sander hybrid jacket. I don't actually have like an all-weather jacket, and since it is getting cold, I was thinking, oh, it'd be nice to have something with down in it. So I picked this up. It was quite affordable because it's from a season or 2 past. Let's put it on. I got this in an XL because I assume that Japanese Uniqlo is slightly smaller. So let's hope that I haven't screwed myself here, because that would be awkward. Oh yeah, it fits. It's not too big either, like it's... Oh, it's lined inside with like fleece in the pockets. It's very techy, it's very cool. I feel like a video game character. Yeah, nice. And then a hood. What's up? I feel like I'm cosplaying a techno DJ. Does anyone else get that vibe? Nice, I like it. It is so warm. All right, that's cool. Next. Also, if I keep missing looking at the camera, it's because I'll show you this setup eventually, but the camera's not where it usually is, so I have to be looking to the side, which is me looking at you, but I'm used to looking here. But that's where the microphone is now. Okay. So I actually sold my bomber jacket to my housemate, of all people, and replaced it with another bomber jacket. This is another Uniqlo Jill Sander piece. It is 3XL though, and I was thinking, could it be like a good replacement for like the Rick Owens type giant bombers? We're about to find out. This also wasn't too expensive, I think. Maybe like $60 or $70 compared to a lot more than it was brand new. I mean, this is big, but it doesn't feel like 3XL big. The pockets are also lined as well. So this is big enough that I could comfortably wear something underneath it too, which is cool. It's cool though, it's cool. I really like the just large silhouette that it has. It's got a double zip. Yes. Why doesn't the other piece have a double zip? Why is this one? This is it zipped up. And magic, double zip. This is cool and is so warm too. I like it. What do y'all think? Yeah, so lighting update. It is just easier to go through the items with a bit more light so that y'all can see them as well, all right? This one's just in a bag. Now this is double-breasted coat that I found whilst looking in the Margiela section. It's not tagged as anything. In fact, it's just a black tag. It was tagged as like, it's not Margiela, it's just in the Margiela section for exposure, but it's just a vintage jacket. Vintage coat. Oh, it's got one of these like inner button things. I don't know what they're called. They've got a proper name because I see them, but I don't know what they're called, I'm sorry. Let's try it on. I checked the measurements of this and I was really worried that it was probably not gonna fit. The sleeves are a little short. However, it does fit. It feels a bit tight. I don't know if I could wear anything under it, but it does fit me. It's nice though. I like the really giant lapels that it has. I think they look really cool. I don't know if you can see the contrast though, but yeah. It's nice. This was quite affordable as well, so cannot complain. So this is the bit that comes across, I guess it attaches there. I suppose it's to help this thing like stay in properly, like this. This is a double-breasted coat for, it was like $70, pretty good. Yeah, there's legit no tags. Oh, here we go. We've got a number, size, it's an L size, but it doesn't say who made it, just chest, cashmere and wool. Cashmere and wool. All right, 3 things left. We've got this little necklace. I'm so bad at opening things, I'm so sorry. Oh. This little necklace, which someone is also trying to sell for like, something like $200, but this was maybe like 30. It's just a simple GroundY leather necklace. It just says, it's just a Y on leather. Probably can't see it because it's black. But I thought a black on black necklace would be kind of neat. You can see it there. Very simple, but cute. I've really been enjoying the whole Y thing and like paths diversions. I don't know, maybe I've been playing too many branching storyline video games. All right, second last piece. Oh no, oh no. I just got a whiff of like smoke. Oh, okay. Okay, it doesn't smell like smoke. I once had an item arrive that smelled, it's actually the, I'll show you. So quick side story, when this Comme des Garçons top arrived, this smelled so bad that I could smell it from outside the box that it was in, and it was double bagged inside it as well. Absolutely disgusting, disgusting. But the way to get rid of the smell was putting it in a bag with bicarb soda overnight, and then tipping the bicarb soda out and sort of like wiping it down. And that got rid of most of the smoke smell. Now it only has like a little tinge, but I think over time it has deteriorated, but good lord. All right, so next, this is a Coach jacket. I'd always wanted one of those CDG Coach jackets, but you know, maybe they're a little too overplayed. So I actually stumbled across this Yohji one. It's pretty cute. There's one where the name is upside down. I would have preferred that one, but this is still cute. A Coach jacket. I've never had one before. Missed out on it in my hardcore phase, I suppose. This is the Coach jacket. It's a size 3, but it is a little small on my portly body. It does have the bits on the side so you can adjust the hem. I mean, all in all, it's not too bad. Like, buttoned up, it fits. Like, my man boobs come through a little bit, but I think it looks okay. The owner was definitely a smoker though. Like, I can feel it, I can smell it. I'm gonna put this outside so we can just air out for a few days. So whilst I understand that people are smokers and you can't really escape that, I think that really needs to be signposted when you are selling something, coming from a smoker. And just so you know, and you don't end up with a piece and it just stinks and makes you feel sick because it's just not the world you live in. I don't know. Anyway, final piece. Hopefully it doesn't smell like smoke. So that's a lot of tops we went through. A lot, because I'm pretty satisfied with all the bottoms that I have. I have an eye on like one more pair of bottoms. Not really like a grail piece or anything, but it's more just a useful pair of black pants. Like easy black pants. By easy, I mean just elasticated waistband. So maybe I'll get lucky and pick those up, I don't know. Who knows? But for now, we've got these. Wow, the material on these is wild. So this just smells like laundry. This is a GroundY pair of, they're called circle pants. What is this fabric though? I don't have anything in this fabric. It's so soft. The hems are cotton, but the rest of it is something else. Triacetate and polyester. So triacetate is something that you usually get in more mainline Yohji pieces. Let's try these on. These are super cool. Also, in advance, ignore the Fortnite socks that I'm wearing. I suppose you can't really see because of the darkness, but they are really gorgeous. Like, look at this. How wide is too wide? Wow, these are actually gorgeous pants. It's such an interesting material as well, but I'll go more into it for the main video. So yeah, that is the end of the unboxing. I think the further I go through with pickups and all that, I seem to be inching more towards more functional pieces rather than like, wouldn't it be cool to have this silly piece? And that's sort of reflecting where I am in my wardrobe at this point in time. So hope you enjoyed it. Which was your favorite piece? I have to actually start wearing them before I make my decision, but I really like the hybrid coat. I'm going away this weekend and it's gonna be awesome to wear. If you want me to vlog that trip, it won't be very fashion based since we'll be like out in the countryside. Let me know. Maybe I'll take some footage. It should be nice. Maybe we'll see a kangaroo. Who knows? As always, thanks so much for watching. Really, really appreciate all the support. You'll take care of yourselves. Have fun. And remember, don't do anything I'd do, except get yourself something nice and warm for winter because it's looking like it's gonna be a cold one. Or if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, good luck. It looks like it's gonna be really hot. So you'll stay cool and safe and remember to hydrate. Bye-bye.